for this part as well. We can also apply grass texture for the part we will use. That too. By typing grass from here, you can download it. Look, you can do the texture like this here. We haven't separated the areas here, but since we will be planting here, that part won't be fully visible. We can add a tree here. For the tree, it will be enough to choose one of the trees here from the afforestation section, from the tree section, and choose a thin and tall tree. It will give a nice ambience to this place. Friends, you can choose from the trees here. For example, when you choose a tree like this, it needs to extend past this part. Or it needs to be a tall, slender tree. It could be a tree like this. Or there are higher quality trees. There are new trees that have arrived. Friends, you can make a selection from them. Look, this could be it, for example. A tree selection could be something like this. This could be something like this, as you can see. If you want to show the root part, you can show it like this. This is also a work aimed at enhancing the ambience a bit. Friends, let's turn it like this, if you want. This kind of situation could happen if you want to use a smaller tree, subscribe. If you want a tree that does not grow, you can choose from here. I'm leaving the tree section to you. For now, I'm going to place a tree like this and leave it. Friends, you can plant different trees in the tree sections by adding them here. Don't fill it too much, but our current tree looks good. When you enlarge it from the inside, look, it grows like this, but it goes right into the wall. A planting like this would be good for me. Friends, do it like this by making a sambur. I've added it, and I can slightly enlarge it like this. You can also add some trees and various objects around here. I can get you a healthy render like this. How are we going to get the render? Now, normally, before taking a render, friends, I need to create a scene from the media section over there. I need to create a scene at the bottom. When I clicked on the plus sign in the media section, my scene was created. Look, after creating the scene, the next thing I need to do is adjust where the sun should fall. From the environment section. Look, where do I want the sun? As you can see, vertically, or with north offset. You can change the position of the sun, as you can see like this. Here, you have the chance to make such an adjustment. Or you can change its direction. Look like this. Let's say we made such an adjustment. Let's have an adjustment like this. I want to take a render from this setting. I'm pressing the update button over here to activate the changes I've made again. The update button on the image. I've come to the camera tab. In the camera tab, there's a sharpness section under the lens. Over there, this is an important part. Guys, you can start this directly from 40%. It adjusts the sharpness and clarity. In the local exposure section, there are highlight and shadow. I won't touch these for now. You can also adjust it to be vertical from the panel section over there. When you press the render button, guys, this kind of image will greet you. On average, but we're not done yet. Because we will be making texture adjustments on the ground and in different areas. The adjustments we're making right now are just for the sun settings, guys. We'll get to the other parts. Now, what do I need to do here to further enhance the texture? To improve the texture, guys, I need to make adjustments like dirt and reflection. One of them is when I select the ground. Look, the Ratley setting on the ground is a bit more. I made it a bit brighter. Look, I've adjusted it to a brighter setting, and I've taken it to render. You can see that the reflection over there has changed. In the next section, I will change the vehicle. I will find a better quality vehicle. We change the vehicle. We will provide a better opportunity, a better surgery. Guys, I will be planting in these areas. I will be doing some planting here. In the next lesson, you can drag and drop from here to spend time in class. You can do things like that. I will do them during class, but it goes away. So, I will change the tools and I will continue with the rest of the lesson by doing these parts, guys.